This man named Martin MacIntyre, and right now, him live in Edinburgh. And they saw him settle down for more than 30 years with him wife and where them raise them family. Martin did grow Lindsay near Glasgow, and then after him left high school, him studied at Aberdeen University. His mother come from Glasgow and his father come from South West. He did live a Skillagary with his mama and papa before him come to Glasgow to live with the rest of his family to start school when he reached 7 years old. So the people in the US would call Martin the son of Patrick the cowman, or Patrick of Voyager in a Gaelic, and the whole of his family called Clan of Voyager. His grandpapa did a one cowman named Donald MacDonald. The people from Benbecula, where he did born, know him as Donald, son of Little John of Red Ear Donald, in Grow Amoy of Aird. Martin left school at Lindsay in 1983 to study medicine at Aberdeen University, and him graduated in 1988. Right now, he practices as out-of-hours doctor in the Lothian district. He did that job for more than 20 years and he really enjoy it. I want good team that. Perhaps he would have said him start right that same day in 1992 when he forced himself to sit down in the computer room at the Scottish Gaelic College, where I'm a student, and have to make up one story that if it was in time, they would have entered it for the first William Ross writing competition. Thank God, him gone clear and never looked back since then. In August 2003, the company near Clare published Ahanya, one collection of short stories in a Gaelic and English as part of a new fiction project we named Gael. Them launched it at Edinburgh Book Festival, and Ahanya won the Saltire First Book Award later that year. How this helped big up Martin's confidence and encourage him to continue to write. Up to now, him finished 8 books of fiction and 3 poetry collections, and him have other things to write. After 16 years gap, him launched 2 poetry books this year. Him get the inspiration for the first one, A Run Between Two Dragons, through the experience and feeling will come up when him visit Catalonia and Wales between 2019 and 2020. You can read every poem in the book in a Gaelic, Catalan, Welsh and English. Noelia Diaz Vicedo and Ifo Apglin mastered the skillful poetry translation into Catalan and Welsh. The next book he published this year named Poem mainly in the English dialect. A one collection of poems where Martin wrote over many years, and like how the title come in to say, them are mostly in English, but Gaelic, Scots and Spanish also come in. Him love to tell stories live and direct, and plenty of them come from the Gaelic tradition. Him tell them through Gaelic and English language, and him do that in different places, whether on large platform or small.
Maar tjolach de fieper. Ag sé chantje dua ach pieper in uist. Ach yn union var 4 eulach, ag as geharis de doen as ne meinen. An an uistjes. Sé vach gorra ach pieper in varnish. Hjumskrotte voedach. Als ze welle, willen dingen varnish. Belle as de maar hoos met de skide ne meinen. An an uistjes. Ag as var truth vragen at heen se nahef har a maile tjut belwitjet. Ag as var gish behinje voorsach in na if pieper. But Hamas got enema funne do.
Him glad him a prepare one book right now about Celtic legend for children aged 7 to 9. It make him look closer at the story them him already know, and also look for other Celtic story for accompany them. Them going translate this book in a plenty different language. Him really hope Gaelic language going count amongst them. Him enjoy the honor to represent the Scottish Poetry Library as ambassador between 2021 and 2023, and to become the first Gaelic writer in residence at the University of Edinburgh for 2 years up to September 2024. The two positions then provide him with enough opportunity to encourage other people to write and to big up the standing of Gaelic literature in these two important institutions.
Pasos de mi camino, respeto, a vosotros en nuestro camino, camino San Jaime.